Hi, Phil Benham here with ProductDyno. In this short video I want to show you how to integrate your products or collections with Paddlee as your payment gateway. Paddlee is similar to Stripe in that it can process your customers' payments, but a lot of vendors choose Paddlee if they don't have access to a PayPal account. I want to point out that you'll notice when you first try to add Paddlee as a payment gateway, you'll see a message saying "No account found" in the payment processor account field. Whenever you encounter this message, you'll need to set up a payment processor for that payment gateway. Let's see how you do that for Paddlee. Look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Global Integrations. Then click Payment Processors. Click the Add Payment Processor button to add your Paddlee account. This is real easy. Make sure Paddlee is selected at the gateway and give it a nickname for your own reference. You might add multiple Paddlee accounts, so this is one way to keep track of them. Click Save here and we're done. Now click the copy icon for the webhook URL on the Paddlee card we created for you. Go back to your Paddlee account and click on the Vendor Settings link in the top left by your vendor image. Click Alerts and go through these alerts to switch on the ones we'll need inside of ProductDyno. You'll see that yours may have all of the email alerts checked, and that's fine if you need them. I've only unchecked them, so it'll be easier for you to see which ones we'll need for ProductDyno. Let's check the webhook checkbox for each of the following: Payment Success Non-Subscription, Payment Refunded Non-Subscription, Subscription Canceled, Payment Success Subscription, and Subscription Payment Refunded. Now, all of these actions that might happen inside of Paddlee need to trigger the same events inside of ProductDyno. If you look over each of these carefully, you'll understand why we've chosen these specific events. Now, in order to make all this happen, we need to paste the webhook URL we copied from our Paddlee card inside of ProductDyno just a minute ago. Now click Save Changes and we're all set up. What we've done just now is enable Paddlee to work with your ProductDyno account for any products you decide to sell, whether they're subscriptions or one-time payments. Now we'll go back into ProductDyno, we'll click on Manage link for our product to the Manage Product page, then we'll click Payment Gateways to integrate it with Paddlee. Just click the Add Payment Gateway button to start adding Paddlee to your product. Begin by giving this gateway a name for your own reference. You may want to think about if you'll have multiple gateways or multiple pricing structures so that you can give this a name to reflect those plans. Make sure that Paddlee is selected as your gateway. We do allow you to connect ProductDyno with any product or subscription in your Paddlee account, and this is why we won't need a price here. We also won't need a thank you page URL since it's already connected specifically to your Paddlee product or subscription. All we really need here is a product or subscription ID. Go back into your Paddlee account and click on Checkout. Then click on either Products or Subscriptions. Then find the product or subscription you want to add to ProductDyno and click the Checkout link button. In the dialog that pops up, select the Checkout product ID and copy it to your computer's clipboard. Now go back into your ProductDyno dashboard with the Payment Gateway dialog for Paddlee and paste in the Checkout product ID in the Gateway product ID field. The expired settings will be covered in another video. For now, let's just go ahead and save this payment gateway. Here we'll see that Paddlee gateway in this list of payment gateways. Notice that we have not created an IPN URL or a checkout URL for you. That's because you will be creating your own sales pages which will link directly to a checkout URL on Paddlee. And when customers purchase your products through that link, Paddlee will let ProductDyno know and the system will set up everything automatically. So now you're all set up to sell your product using Paddlee. ProductDyno will handle all of your buyers as members and will adjust their access accordingly, as well as remove their access if they cancel or refund later. To learn more about Paddle and all the other services that ProductDyno integrates with, we encourage you to visit our resources page found right here in the left-hand navigation bar of your ProductDyno dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our other ProductDyno tutorial videos.